We've made cooking a lot easier for you. Say hello to Kike, your AI smart kitchen companion.
Thanks to Kike,
Who please?
meal planning, cooking, and gas management are now seamless and stress-free.
Are you still doubting?
Hold up.
Calm down. Let me
Wait
break
a
it down
minute.
for you. Kike AI helps you monitor your gas usage and when you need to refill your gas. It also tells you when your gas is about to finish and instantly connects you to a nearby affordable gas supplier. And it also makes your gas management effortless and stress-free.
Yes, you can plan your meal with Kike AI.
Who please?
Kike AI uses your food preference, health needs, and cooking habits to create a personalized meal plan for you.
I see what you did there, bro.
If you're thinking how to plan your meals and you cannot even cook, come closer. I have a secret for you. With Kike AI's step-by-step smart meal suggestion, ingredient listing, you can become an overnight professional cook. Just like me. What are you still waiting for? Just click on this link and start chatting with Kike AI on WhatsApp.
Guess what? You don't need to download any app. You don't need to buy any gadget.
Kike AI is free on WhatsApp.